BYND stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Beyond Meat stock, man, it's 1.6% down. All I really have to say is that not looking good, at least from this point of view. Kind of crashing, but again, I've done 40,000 videos, so I've like literally seen what's making me money and what's not. And in this instance, still the only thing that I care about, it's not that I care about, but it's just trying to be realistic. It's such a crazy bearish market. I mean, even right here, man, like I called it out to the dot. Let me show you the proof because I have the demonstration. Yeah, 7 months back, 24th of September. Like so now, this is old. By proof is proof, right? And all I have to say now, we have a new range. The likelihood that this thing just keeps crashing is still between the highest. And all I have to say is that I'm not even about to change it. It's still a bearish market for me. In the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting. So stay tuned. Not touching it, not trading it. I mean, if you ask me, Mr. Sicko, when is this going to be bullish? For me, it must break 366. If you know how, if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails.